What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and enjoying freedom. It's a great day to have a great day. Today, I want to talk about the American dream and why I believe it is dead. Dead and gone, thing of the past, ancient history, and what has taken its place. We're going to get into it, but really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos, subscribe to my second channel for weekly videos, get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel, try out some G Fuel energy formula, $5 off your first order by clicking the link in the description, and of course, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account any amount, even as little as a penny, and for every friend you refer, they're going to give you even more free stocks. On your first and third referrals, they're going to give you a spin on the Webull wheel, which gets you anywhere between 1 and 20 free shares of Google. And on your second and fourth through 30th referrals, they're going to give you 10 free random stocks each. Everything will be linked in the description. Okay, so today, for the third installment of Financial Freedom Friday, I wanted to talk about the American dream and why I believe the American dream, or at least the old American dream, is dead and what has replaced it. Now, funny enough, this entire video is based off of a tweet that I had responded to probably like 2 or maybe even 3 years ago. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter, I post a lot of nonsense on there at Mykie DYDSS, MYKIE or link in the description. But I had responded to this tweet, and unfortunately I can't get a screenshot of it because it's since been deleted. But the tweet originally said something along the lines of what the old American dream was. And it was 4 different things. Number 1, having a nice big house. 2, having a brand new car. 3, having a corner office at your 9 to 5. And 4, keeping up with the Joneses. That was the original tweet that someone on Twitter put out. I ended up replying to that tweet with a tweet of my own, saying what I believe the new American dream is right now, what has taken the place of the old American dream. And it is, number 1, not caring about having a nice big house, because at the end of the day, whether you live in a nice big house, a small house, an apartment, or even a camper van, it's just a place to sleep at night. 2, not caring if you have a brand new car. Because whether you have a brand new car, a used beat up car, a Lamborghini, a Toyota, or a bicycle, it's just something to get you from point A to point B. 3, not caring about a corner office at your 9 to 5 because 10 times out of 10, a 24/7 hustle outperforms and out-earns a 9 to 5. And then, of course, number 4, not worrying about keeping up with the Joneses and being able to say, screw the Joneses. No one likes them anyway. That's why I believe the old American dream is dead and the new American dream has taken its place. Chasing financial freedom, which is what this video is, it's a part of Financial Freedom Friday. One way you can go about working towards financial freedom, like I said before, investing. One of the ways that I go about doing so is on the Webull app. Download it, fund your account any amount, up to 12 free fractional shares. For every friend you refer, they're going to give you even more free stocks. On your first and third referrals, they're going to give you a spin on the Webull wheel, all the way up to 20 free shares of Google each. And for your second and fourth through 30th referrals, they're going to give you 10 free random stocks. Go and get them. Link in the description. But that's what I believe it's all about. I believe it's about not caring about having the biggest house in the neighborhood or the nicest car on the road or the corner office or that 9 to 5 or caring in any way, shape, or form about what the Joneses are doing, what them down the street are doing. Oh, they just one-up me. Now I got to go one-up them. It's not about that. It's about worrying about yourself, building something for yourself, working on something for yourself, potentially being your own boss, potentially being your own bank, and doing things your way, living life on your terms without worrying about if that guy over there has a bigger house than you or that person over there has a nicer car than you. It doesn't matter. None of that matters. I don't know why people used to think it mattered, because it never mattered. What truly matters is building long-term, stable, sustainable wealth. You don't need to be a mega millionaire. You don't need to have lottery net worth. But you can build something for yourself, little by little, brick by brick, and slowly but surely achieve financial freedom. That's the new American dream, as far as I'm concerned. I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. And if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Get yourself some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel in the biggest possible way. Try out some G Fuel Energy Formula, $5 off your first order by clicking the link in the description. Over 50 different flavors to choose from. This is Bahama Mama, and I definitely recommend it. And of course, once again, make sure to go and get your up to 12 free fractional shares by downloading Webull and funding your account any amount. You can deposit as little as a penny. It still works. It still counts. You still get your up to 12 free fractional shares. And for every friend you refer, they're going to give you even more free stocks. On your first and third referrals, they're going to give you a spin on the Webull wheel, which guarantees you at least one free share of Google per spin, with the chance of winning all the way up to 20 free shares of Google per spin. And then on your second and fourth through 30th referrals, they're going to give you 10 free random stocks each. If you don't want the stocks, go and get them anyway. They're free. Why wouldn't you? Then just sell them. Congratulations. Now you have the cash to go and get whatever else it is you want to get. Maybe something to, maybe one up the Joneses down the road. Anyway, I want you guys to head on down in the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.